Hi, I'm Kurt from Kurt's Auto. I can't believe how fast 2025 is going. It's already the middle of March and we only have 12 weeks left until the start of the Hot Rod Power Tour. My plan this year is taking my 79 Firebird, and not only am I doing the Hot Rod Power Tour, I'm actually doing Sick Ward the week after. So my June is going to be driving this car for 2 weeks straight. Right now, currently, you can still sign up and get your long haul, which gives you a metal plaque. Actually, you get 2 metal plaques with your credentials. Otherwise, the multi-day, you don't get a metal plaque, but you basically get a ticket that you get to punch everywhere to say that you did the power tour. If you're interested in going, you got 12 weeks to get your car ready to go, and we are headed to some fun places this year. Obviously, power tour is always a blast. I can't wait for the hotel parties. Kind of the same thing with Sick Summer. Sick Summer is basically half race and half party. The venues are close enough together that it becomes a party just like Power Tour. So I am super excited for my June. I can't wait to take you all along. We start off at Lucas Oil Raceway. We're going to Route 66 Dragway. We stop in Fort Wayne, Indiana to go to the War Memorial Coliseum. We head up to Michigan for a stop at a fairgrounds, and we end at Summit Racing in Norwalk, Ohio. So we get 3 drag strips, and I'm guessing they're either going to have autocross set up at the War Memorial Coliseum in Indiana, or they're going to have it set up in Michigan for us as a guess. Either way, there's definitely 3 drag strips, so I plan to take the car down all 3 drag strips. For Sick Summer, I won't be able to race. I'm just going as a spectator. Sick Ward basically gives you a little bit better priority parking and gets you in all 6 days. 5 different days of racing plus the tech day, and it's 4 different racetracks for Sick Summer. So we start at Byron Raceway, we go to Great Lakes Dragway, then we go down to Cordova, Tri-State Raceway in Earlville, and then back to Byron for the end of Sick Summer. If you're interested in any of these things, you can check out Sick Summer at Sick the Mag or Hot Rod Power Tour at hotrod.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along for this adventure.